Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
Brain break, painting with water. This brain break will take you outside. Locate an area where you would like to paint with water. For example, on your driveway, your deck, your patio, or even out on your neighborhood street. Please make sure though that it is a safe area where no cars are driving. Supplies needed: a bucket or large container filled with water, an old house paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush, you could use a rag. And if you would like to experiment, a spray bottle filled with water. Sit down on the ground and let's see where your creativity will lead you. Dip your brush in water and begin. I started with a large spiral shape. Spiral shapes are easy to paint and they have a soothing and calming effect. Keep dipping your brush frequently in water as you continue to make the spiral larger. Hold your brush vertical and use your whole arm to paint the shape. If you like, you can add on to your spiral. I added triangle shapes to represent sun rays. Once you're finished with your design, stand up and stretch. Notice how your painting starts to fade and eventually disappears as the water evaporates. So cool, like magic. Now that you have practiced painting simple shapes, perhaps you would like to go for a challenge and paint an animal. I started out with circles and ovals to paint a teddy bear, and then watched how the bear slowly disappeared. If you would like to experiment with a water spray bottle, place your foot or hand on the pavement and lightly spray water over the foot or hand. Your foot and hand will block the water, leaving a cool print behind.
Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby-Steinmann and Anna Rochester. See you next time.